For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The death of father and son duo Jairaj and Benix in police custody sparked widespread outrage from across the country. Amid the outrage over Jairaj and Benix's alleged custodial deaths, leaked hospital and jail records have reportedly confirmed the allegations made by the duo's family that Jairaj and Benix were assaulted and injured during their judicial remand. According to a report, both Jairaj and Benix had multiple marks on their glutes. The reports also mentioned that Benix had hypertension and had depression on his right knee and was asked to come for an X-ray and blood sugar test. As for Jairaj, the hospital doctor had written that he had to be on medication for hypertension and blood sugar. The jail register also made a record of the injuries on glutes among other injuries. Benix also had swollen legs and wrists at the time of entering the prison, as mentioned in the jail document. The entry document has been signed by the duo and two policemen from the Satankulam police station. These records indicate that the allegations by Jairaj and Benix's family that they were tortured by the police may be true. In a late evening visit on Saturday, two judges visited the Thoothukudi jail to check the records. The judges also inquired with the prison officers and inmates about the father-son duo's death. They also recorded statements from the prison officers along with the inmates in the prison about what transpired in the Kovilpatti sub-jail. The judges have also collected all the evidence they require in this case for further investigation. In another update, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy has said that the matter would be handed over to the CBI. We will seek permission from the Madurai bench of Madras High Court to transfer the Tuticorin custodial death to the Central Bureau of Investigation in the next hearing on 30th June. In yet another shocking revelation, a Tamil Nadu cop who put up a derogatory post about Satankulam custodial deaths has been suspended. M. Satish Muttu, the cop in question, distanced himself from the post and claimed that his account had been hacked. The Facebook post was translated from Tamil to English and it was shocking. Hey brothers, come. We are looking for the next lock-up death victim. Now we've got them. Do you have rectums, brothers? The reference to rectums in his post comes after several reports stated that Jairaj and Benix were sexually assaulted in custody. In fact, Satish also distanced himself from the post and said that his account was hacked. I am posting this with sadness that the above post has hurt you. There is no connection between me and the above post. In relation to the Satankulam incident, in order to cause more dishonor to the police force, someone has used my ID and posted this. Therefore, I request everyone to consider me as their brother and forgive. Meanwhile, superstar Rajnikant on his part spoke to Jairaj and Benix's family and conveyed his condolences to them over a phone call. The death of the father-son duo has led to massive outrage, with people demanding the arrest and suspension of the policemen responsible for the incident, and what is shocking is the fact that an FIR is yet to be filed against the accused cops.